Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Modivo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the this second button down below and then click on select one of these categories. Then if you want to apply filters, click on the filters button in the right side of the screen. You can select the price range on this slide. Then the brand can be set to your size and the color of the items. You can choose more than one. Here you can select the occasion and the style, season, the material, whether it is eco-friendly or not. Then the heel type can be selected too. And then click on the results button down below to apply the filters, and here you can find all of the relevant results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.